Hi everyone, I'm Kathy from Weekend. Today we are going to talk about different appearances of different surface finishes. We would share some information about machine finish, smooth finish, high polish, clear polish, vapor polish, sandblasting, painting. Machine finish means no further polish work after machining, just a little handwork needed to clear the burr. You can see the tool marks clearly. Smooth finish is to hand polish the workpiece by sandpaper after machining. Hand polish starts from 240 grades, then 320 or 400 grades, and finally 600 to 800 grades to remove the tool marks and burrs. From the pictures, you can see there's no tool marks after handing polish, and you would get different roughness with different sandpaper grades. High polish is the higher level finish effect than smooth finish. The final surface is super smooth, without machine line or sanding mark, and can reflect as a mirror, so it's also known as mirrored polish. Clear polish is a similar process to high polish. Vapor polish is usually applied to clear PC. Because it's hard to polish with polish paste, so after hand polish, we vapor the parts with acetone to get a clear effect. Sandblasting is a cost-effective way to get an even and matte finish. In Weekend, the sand ranges from 8 grades to 120 grades. If a smooth matte finish is needed, you can choose sands with big grades. There's matte painting and gloss painting effects. Matte painting provides a permanent, non-gloss finish, removes light reflection, dry fast and clear. Gloss painting is the most durable and easiest to clean off all paint gloss. High gloss paint is hard, ultra shining and light reflecting. With painting glosses, you can get all kinds of colors you want. Except the above finishes, we can also make many other finishes such as anodize, laser engrave, and silk screen. Please feel free to contact us for more details. I'm sure we can do something for you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time.